Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sunshade sails available on the market for their true quality and value. Whether you're looking to create a cool retreat in your yard, patio, or garden, we've got you covered with these top-notch options. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Shade & Beyond 10x10 Sunshade Sails Curved Canopy. This square-shaped sunshade is crafted from 185 GSM high-density polyethylene, HDPE, ensuring excellent UV protection by blocking up to 95% of harmful rays. Its curved-edge design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to better durability by preventing rainwater accumulation. The breathable fabric allows proper air circulation, making your space cooler and more comfortable. When it comes to design and build quality, the Shade & Beyond sail is well constructed with durable stitched seams and stainless steel D-rings at each corner. The lightweight design makes setup a breeze, although you'll need to purchase the hardware kit separately. While it's not waterproof, this sail does a great job of maintaining airflow, which is ideal for hot summer days. However, it's worth noting that the sail's dimensions include a slight curve, so you'll need to account for this during installation. This shade sail is versatile and works great for smaller outdoor areas like patios, decks, and backyards. It offers a decent balance of affordability and functionality, but the lack of included mounting hardware may slightly increase your total cost. Overall, the Shade & Beyond 10x10 Sunshade sail is a solid option for those seeking a reliable and minimalist shade solution. Pros include its breathable design and strong UV protection, while cons include the lack of hardware and limited size options. At rank number 4, we have the Amagenic Sunshade Sail 16 by 20 feet curved edge outdoor shade canopy. This oversized canopy is perfect for larger outdoor spaces, offering a breathable and UV-blocking solution made from durable 185 GSM HDPE material. It blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays, keeping your outdoor area cool and comfy. The curved edge design not only enhances stability, but also ensures rainwater doesn't pool on the surface, which helps extend the lifespan of the sail. In terms of design and build quality, the Amagenic sail is built to last. The fabric is reinforced with double-stitched edges, and stainless steel D-rings provide a strong and secure mounting point. While the sail isn't waterproof, its breathable structure allows air and light rain to pass through. Installation is straightforward, but you'll need to leave about 1.5 to 2 feet of space for proper tension, and hardware is sold separately. This shade sail is ideal for homeowners looking to cover larger areas like gardens, barbecue spaces, or pool decks. It's a versatile option that balances functionality with aesthetics, though the lack of waterproofing might be a downside for those in rainy climates. Pros include its large size, durable construction, and high UV protection, while cons include the additional cost of hardware and the need to remove it during severe weather conditions. Coming in at number 3, we have the Artputch 10 by 13 feet Sunshade Sails Rectangle Canopy in dark gray. This stylish and practical shade sail is crafted from high-quality HDPE fabric and offers 95% UV protection, making it perfect for outdoor spaces like patios, gardens, and decks. The dark gray color adds a modern touch, while the breathable fabric ensures optimal airflow and cooling. When it comes to design, the Artputch sail features durable stainless steel D-rings and reinforced edges for added durability. It's designed to resist wind effectively and avoid water pooling, thanks to its slightly curved edges. Installation is easy, though you'll need to purchase the hardware separately. The sail may stretch slightly over time, so be sure to account for a small margin during setup. The Artputch sail strikes a good balance between price and performance, offering a versatile shading solution for mid-sized outdoor spaces. While it doesn't include installation accessories, its sturdy construction and UV blocking capabilities make it a worthwhile investment. Pros include its sleek design, excellent UV protection, and easy maintenance, while cons include the lack of hardware and slight size variation due to material stretch. At number 2, we have the Shade & Beyond Triangle Sunshade Sail 16 feet by 16 feet by 16 feet permeable canopy. This triangular sail is a fantastic choice for those looking for a unique design that stands out. Made from 185 GSM HDPE fabric, it offers 85% to 88% sunshade coverage and blocks 95% of UV rays. The breathable design ensures proper airflow, keeping your space cool and comfortable while preventing water pooling. This sail is built with high-quality materials, including well-stitched seams and sturdy stainless steel D-rings at each corner. The curved edges improve tension and stability, which is especially useful in windy conditions. Installation is fairly simple, but requires a hardware kit that isn't included. Measuring from D-ring to D-ring with a 1.5 2-foot gat for mounting is essential for proper setup. The Shade & Beyond Triangle Sail is ideal for patios, gardens, and pool areas, offering a blend of style and functionality. While the lack of waterproofing might be a drawback for some, its unique shape and durable construction make it a standout option. Pros include its stylish design, strong UV protection, and excellent airflow, while cons include the need for additional hardware and limited coverage compared to rectangular sails. And finally, at number 1, we have the SunnyGuard Sunshade Sail 10-foot by 13-foot rectangle in sand. This product is an all-around winner, combining excellent UV protection, high-quality materials, and an affordable price point. Made from 100% HDPE fabric, it blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays, while allowing air to pass through, creating a cooler and more enjoyable outdoor environment. What sets the SunnyGuard sail apart is its attention to detail. It features sturdy stitching, stainless steel D-rings for durability, and comes with thickened ropes for easy installation. The customizable size option is a fantastic bonus, allowing you to tailor the sail to your unique outdoor space. While it's not waterproof, its breathable design prevents heat buildup and ensures rainwater doesn't pool on the surface. This sail is perfect for a wide range of applications, from patios and decks to gardens and pools. At just $36.54, it offers incredible value for the money, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Pros include its affordability, high UV protection, and included ropes, while cons include the absence of a hardware kit and slight size deviations due to material characteristics. Overall, SunnyGuard delivers a top-notch shade solution that ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or want to share your own experiences, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.